These are the Colorado blue spruce and white pine trees that stand alongside Whiskey Ditch in Centennial Park. Most of the trees were planted in the 1960s and some of them reached 35 feet tall, but these trees may not be around for much longer.
This will be quite the visual aesthetic impact if these trees all do need to be removed.
Worthington Park Supervisor Scott Rosenberg says the tree's placement failed a recent inspection. Whiskey Ditch was created by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in 1955, which includes a levee system in place for the city's flood protection. The Corps recently sent a letter to the city of Worthington that says the roots from the trees could go into the system and endanger the project, and branches from the trees could hold debris back if a flood occurs.
This year they've really hammered down on the requirements and what's allowed.
Now, if these trees do have to be removed, the city can replant other varieties, this time on the east side of the bike trail in Centennial Park.
There's immediate concerns.
The city's engineer says there are two options for the trees. The city could remove them or let the project become inactive.
As an active project, it could be funded. If now it's inactive and it's damaged by a flood, there's no outside funding for that.
While the decision is up in the air, park officials will not ignore the existing trees and encourages people to enjoy them while they can.
We'll continue to maintain the trees as we have in the past.
In Worthington, Ashley Kringen, KDLT News.